In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure a Kanban board on Jira. If you're managing a project and looking for a structured way to pursue tasks, a Kanban board in Jira can be an excellent tool. Let's dive in and set up your board so it's tailored precisely to your needs. First, you need to navigate to your Kanban board within the Jira interface. You can do this by selecting the project you're working on and then choosing the Kanban board option from the dashboard or sidebar. Once you're on your board, locate the three dots next to your board's name. A drop-down menu will appear when you click on those dots. Select the board settings option from this menu to access the configuration settings where you can start customizing your board. Once you're in the board settings, you'll discover a variety of customizations and adjustments that you can make. One of the first areas you can configure is the columns. Go to the columns section, and here you can rename existing columns, add new columns, or remove ones you no longer need. Columns are essential because they represent different stages of work, and personalizing them to fit your team's workflow can make the process much smoother. Now it's time to drag the statuses to their respective columns. This step is crucial as it helps you define what each column signifies by aligning specific task statuses. For instance, if you have a to-do column, make sure only the tasks that need to be started are placed there. Next, consider using swim lanes to categorize your tasks. Swim lanes can help in grouping tasks based on priorities, teams, or the type of work. It visually separates sections of your board so you can follow different streams of work in parallel. You can choose between query-based, assignee-based, or project-based swim lanes, depending on how you want to organize your tasks. To further enhance the visibility of your tasks, adjust the card colors on your Kanban board. Setting different colors for issue types, priorities, or custom fields aids in identifying tasks at a glance. This color coding can enhance productivity by allowing team members to quickly spot high priority tasks or categorize them based on other relevant characteristics. Finally, set up quick filters. Quick filters enable you to view subsets of issues instantly, such as high priority tasks or tasks assigned to a specific team member. This is particularly useful when you want to focus on certain tasks without losing sight of the overall project. And there you have it, a nicely configured Kanban board tailored to your workflow in Jira. This setup should enhance your project management by providing a clear visual overview of tasks and their statuses. Remember, the key is to adjust these features in line with your team's specific needs to maximize efficiency and productivity. Thanks for joining me today, and happy project managing.